Hello there, my name's John and I'm a storyteller. I'm going to tell you a very special story about a birthday. It was the old man's birthday. The old woman had decided to bake his favourite, a gingerbread man. I'm going to teach you how to bake a gingerbread man right now. Take your mixing bowl. That's it. Hold your arm out just like this. Your finger and run your finger around the edge of your mixing bowl, being sure to lick your finger. Tastes good already, doesn't it? Now, take your wooden spoon and mix the batter. Give it a good old mix. That's it. Pour the batter onto the table and with your long rolling pin, roll out the dough. So mix the batter and roll the dough. And with your cookie cutter, cut out gingerbread legs, gingerbread arms, and a happy gingerbread. Where are your gingerbread legs? Where are your gingerbread legs? Stand up on the spot where you are. That's it. Stand up on the spot where you are. Very good. Let's try that again, shall we? I said, take your cookie cutter and cut out gingerbread legs, gingerbread arms, and a happy gingerbread face. That is much better. Give yourselves a pat on the back and sit down. Soon the kitchen filled with the warm smell of baking. The old man couldn't resist having a look. You look very tasty, good enough to eat. The old man opened the oven to crack and to take a peek. Out of the oven popped the gingerbread man and he ran towards the door, saying these famous words. He said, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man." Stand up on the spot where you are. Should we go through that together? So it goes like this. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Ready? After three. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Did the old man or the old woman catch the gingerbread man? Of course not. Sit down. On ran the gingerbread man until he met a cow. Mm. Mm. You look very tasty, good enough to eat. Did the gingerbread man slow? Well, did he? No! On your feet. He ran on, saying those famous words all together after three with the actions. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Did the cow catch the gingerbread man? Of course not. Sit down. On ran the gingerbread man until he met a horse. Neigh, neigh. You look very tasty, good enough to eat. Gingerbread man slow? Well, did he? No. On your feet. He ran on, saying those famous words. After three with the actions. 1, 2, 3. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Did the horse catch the gingerbread man? Of course not. Sit down. On ran the gingerbread man until he met a hen. You look very tasty, good enough to eat. Did the gingerbread man slow? Or did he? No, on your feet. He ran on, saying those famous words. Are you ready? With the actions after 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Did the hen catch the gingerbread man? Of course not. Sit down. No one can catch me, thought the gingerbread man. But then he came to a fast-flowing river. There was no bridge, and he could not swim across because it was made of gingerbread. Then he heard, excuse me, young man, can I help you across this river? It was a fox. The gingerbread man was very frightened. He said, I've run from an old woman. I've run from an old man. I'll run away from you. I can. The fox was not impressed. No, young man, you don't look tasty. Who would want to eat you? Now, let me help you across this river. At that moment, the fox and the gingerbread man heard voices coming in the direction of the river. It was the old man, the old woman, the cow, the horse, and the hen, and they were gaining on the gingerbread man. Quickly, said the fox, climb onto my nose and I will carry you across the water. In the very nick of time, the gingerbread man hopped onto the fox's nose. The old man, the old woman, the cow, the horse, and the hen arrived at the banks of the river just in time to see the gingerbread man escape. The gingerbread man laughed and danced. He said, run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. The fox took the gingerbread man high into the air. Up, up, up he went above the fast-flowing water. Down, down, down he came with a snap. What did he come down with? Can you do that with me? Up, up, up he went above the fast-flowing water. Down, down, down he came with a... The fox climbed out of the water, shook himself off, and padded away, smiling a very satisfied smile. Because, as everybody knows, the fox's favourite food is gingerbread. Give yourselves a big clap and a pat on the back. I hope that you have enjoyed our story today. My name's John Kirk. You'll find me at john-kirk.co.uk on Facebook and on Twitter. And if you go to my YouTube channel, you'll find lots more videos to explore with your family. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye for now.